Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change Canvas Bazaar's account password. To change your Canvas Bazaar's account password, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.bazaar.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Canvas Bazaar's. Now here you can see you'll be directed directly to your sign in page. To change your password, you need to first log into your account. To sign in, you can use your Facebook account, your Google account, your Microsoft account or your LinkedIn account, as well as Temenos account and Twitter account. Here I'm going to log in manually. For that, first enter your email address on the given box. Then enter your correct password of your account. After this, click on Sign In option. With this, you'll be logged into your Canvas Bazaar's account using your email. Now here, you'll be directly taken to your backpack section. Now on the top right section, you can see your profile name. Click on your profile name. Then here you can see Account Settings option. Click on Account Settings option. Then here you can see all the account details. Now here you can see Change Password option on top right. Click on Change Password. Then to change your password, you need to first enter your current password. Make sure you enter the correct password on the given box. Then you need to create a new password. Make sure your password is strong enough with at least of 8 characters. Then re-enter your password on Confirm New Password box. After you do so, now click on Change Password option. With this, your password will be successfully changed. Now it will directly take you to sign in page after your password gets changed. So scroll down and enter the email address that you have used to create your account. With this, enter the new password that you have just created. After you enter your login credentials, click on Sign In option. With this, you will be logged into your Canvas Bazaar's account and your password will also be successfully changed. This is how we can change Canvas Bazaar's account password on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.